Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. Before I start, I want to greet you in my native language from Sundanese, Sampurasun Sadayana. So I belong to the Sundanese ethnic group because the Sundanese are one of the large ethnic group in Indonesia. So right after the Javanese culture, both of my parents are Sundanese. So which means I was raised in an environment that is strongly shaped by Sundanese traditions, language, and also cultural vibes. So since I was a child, I have been very familiar with Sundanese cultures, like a language in everyday conversations, in daily at home. So I always grow up and also knowing the social value that Sundanese people practice in everyday conditions. So in general, Sundanese people are known for being politely, so humbly, and also friendly and respectful towards each other. So these characteristics are every important part of Sundanese identity, and you can see the reflected in how we speak and how we interacted. So how they treat the people around all of them. The Sundanese culture originates from the region of West Java and part of Banten in Indonesia. So this is culture homeland. It's a traditional called the Tatar Sunda or Tanah Pasudan, which means it's the land of the Sundanese people. So the geographically, this region is blessed with the beautiful mountains and also plus the forest and also loving rivers and also very fertile agricultural and also land. So this is cultural environment has granately and also influence how the Sundanese peoples see the world and also how they live their lives, and also the relationship between human and also nature is considered extremely important in our culture. So historical most Sundanese people works as a farmers, especially rice farmers. So because of this, many Sundanese traditions and also ceremonies are connected to the agricultural and also activities and expressing gratitude for the gifts of the nature. Even today, some traditional Sundanese communications like Baduy and also Kampung Naga still preserving these ancestral practices. They choose to live simply and also maintains to the deep harmony with the nature world around. Sundanese culture has a many beautiful tradition that reflects to our value or politeness and also friendliness and also togetherness and deep respect to each others. One of the most I know tradition is Serentahun. Serentahun is a traditional harvest ceremony that is held as a from gratitude to God for abundance harvest at all the blessing we. The most important festival in the Sundanese culture is Serentahun Festival. Serentahun Festival held every year after the harvest seasons. The name itself comes from the Sundanese word serens. It means like to hand over. So tahun it means year. So it is the literary means offering our gratitude for anything or everything that has happened through to the years. So the festival is filled with the many rich culture activity such as prayer ceremony and also spiritual core of the connections. So angklung, music performance, play by large group together. So tari jaipongs and energetic and also expressive traditional Sundanese culture. So wayang golek it means like a wooden puppet show the carries moral message and also cultural story behind the text, behind the wayang golek. So and great the harvest parade. So where the community works together, crying, prize, and also group symbolist attitude to the culture of the Sundanese. So Serentown is not just a culture celebrations, but it is also every important moment to bring the community together and also strength to social bonds and also introduce Sundanese tradition to younger generations. And the festival it's especially famous in Cigugur, Kuningan and several others area across ways from the Java. So the first, do you know is nasi liwet? Nasi liwet, rice cooking is rice cooked in the coconut milk with the aromatic spicy and also giving it the rich and also savory flavor. So karedok it's mean the unique Sundanese salad made from the raw vegetables like long beans, so bean sprouts and also cucumber. Add toast it the delicious sauce, peanut sauce. What makes it special is that the vegetables are not cooked at all. So lalapan and also sambal. Nah, lalapan and also sambal. This is a fresh raw vegetables served alongside spicy sambal. This is probably and the most iconic part of the Sundanese culture. So almost every Sundanese dishes is incomplete without lalapan and also sambal. So nasi tutuk oncom. Nasi tutuk oncom it's mean rice mixed with the fermentation soybean. So like the cake, so giving it the very unique and also earthier flavor. So peyem is mean for fermented cassava, like a traditional Sundanese snack that has a slightly sweet and also take the taste from your mouth. And then ayam bakakak is mean whole a chicken marinated in Sundanese spicy and also often served at the special gatherings. All of this food show just how deeply connected Sundanese culture is to the nature and also to simple honestly living. So the Sundanese traditional clothes it's usually worn during culture and festival traditional ceremony. The outfits reflected to the value of Sundanese peoples, like how to simplicity and also elegant and also modesty. Now this is the first is woman. The traditional Sundanese outfit includes kebaya, fitted and also graceful blues, usually made from soft fabric in gentle colors, and also a batik or traditional fabric like worn as a skirt or wrapped elegantly around the waist. So sanggul is means like traditions of hairstyle where the hair is neatly and also gathered at the back. Often the decoration, mainly decoration, like you want to put the sunflowers inside the sanggul. So this is the traditional hair accessories. So selendang it's mean a decoration such or shawl worn over the shoulder, put in the shoulder. So for the men is the traditional Sundanese outfit includes pangsi. Pangsi is mean like a simple and also comfortable using some clothing, usually black and also white. This is white, this is black. So there is also ikat kepala. So ikat kepala, it's mean the traditional head wrap made from pattern cloth to fold it and also tied the specific way on the head. So salontreng is mean a colorless traditional top worn and also with the pangsi. This is outfits a beautiful capture the Sundanese character, simple, refined, and full of the culture. So the most central value is someha, which represents friendliness, politeness, so humility, so and respects towards all of people. Sili Asi, to love and also care of one another. So Sili Asa, to help each other grow and also learn. So Sili Asu, to protect and also look after one to another. So this is philosophy. Show how much Sundanese culture value community, mutual support, and also togetherness. So respect is one of the most important pillars of Sundanese culture, and it is expressed through the both language and everyday behavior. The most recognizable way is through the word like a puntan. So whatever Sundanese person needs to pass someone, ask for information or apologize, they will say puntan, often while slightly bowing their body forward as a physical signs of the respect. So this is something that is taught for a children for a very young age. So, of the most important ones is angklung. Angklung is a traditional musical instrument made entirely from bamboo, and it is played by shaking it. And each angklung produce one of specific note, and also must work together to create the beautiful melody. So play angklung is like your hands so shaking like this. So the voice can certainly exits with the beautiful melody. So wayang golek is traditional three of dimensional woody puppet performance. So the story told together wayang golek usually carry and also deep moral message and culture wisdom. So performance by a skilled teller called dalang. So there is also Tari Jaipong, a famous traditional Sundanese dance known for its energetic, so dynamic and also expressive movements, and also accompanied by the strong rhythm beat of the kendang drum. So kujang is mean a traditional Sundanese weapon, a cultural symbolism that represents the strength and also identity, the culture of Sundanese and history of the Sundanese people. So there is also a kecapi suling. Kecapi suling, it's mean a deeply shooting traditional music style that combines to the kecapi and suling. So creates the melody that are gentle and also beautiful, calm. Preserving our culture is incredibly important because the culture is not just about the past, but it's about who we are today and who we will be in the future. So for me personally, preserving the Sundanese cultures mean respecting the characters and honoring the heritage and also that has been passed down to me. I am proud to be Sundanese culture. So and I want to make sure that this is a beautiful culture to continues to alive and also for generations. Hatur nuhun sadayana. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.